Hi everyone, it's Nelda. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking this video. Happy Easter! I hope that you had a great weekend. I am here to share with you my project for the Feel of Vintage 2021 collaboration. We are a total of 8 collaborators and we hope to inspire you to hopefully make you fall in love or appreciate vintage again, because this is part of our history. My project today is a vintage journal. I'm a journaler and I make journals, and I'd like to show you the ephemera or the items that I use for my personal journals and also to make some journals. Most of these items I purchased from an antique shop, and sometimes I go to thrift stores and I also get hold of some really old pieces, but majority of my collection are from the antique shop. So this is a antique tin can, and this is where I put some of the ephemera that I use. I love to collect tickets and old checks and even tags. So these are mileage tickets, and then these are some stamps, old envelopes. These are vintage postcards. And they are beautiful. They are just really nice addition to any junk journals or any journal, not even a junk journal. And these are envelopes. I love the yellow colors, really old looking colors. And these are old checks, and they are from different dates. Some of them are from 1919, 1947, but I have plenty of these checks, and I have another tin can with all these ephemera. I call them ephemera. Most of these checks I already used, and so I am hoping to make some more and scan them so I can also make digital kits. And then this Mastery of Speech booklet is really good. This is book 3 and I've read this over and over and I loved it. And then these are really old sales orders. I think I've used some of these already in my personal journal, and then some more old checks. Every time I go to antique shops, this is what I look for. And very seldom that I get this from a thrift store, but I was lucky one time I got like a bunch of these. And then I have this box of vintage stamps. And I've swapped and also gave away so many of these stamps already, but I still have tons. 1986 Royal Wedding, and then most of these are antique already. And I know I have tons, but when I go to the shops, I also still look for stamps. These I have not even touched. And then I have this Victorian fashion book that I got from the antique shop, and it has all the fashions from 1890 to 1905. And I cut some images. I've used some in my personal journal already, but I think I have a couple of the images that I used in the project share today. And I also use these stamps from Tim Holtz. Of course, these are not vintage stamps, but they are script and lines and designs that are vintage looking, so I use them in the journal pages. And this is my favorite too. For my project today, this is a one signature vintage journal, and the cover is made out of vintage checks, so it's a collage. So I laminated it so that it is protected. It's a very simple collage, very easy to do, and I'm happy with how it turned out. And instead of decorating the edges with lace, I just made a stamp collage, and that's what I added here. I stitched all around the edges. I also used Tim Holtz washi tape, and this is the inside back cover, and this is a beautiful image from the Victorian fashion book, and then these are the ephemera that I just showed you. The inside pages are coffee stained. Some of the old checks, vintage dictionary sheet, and this is the ticket. Pocket there, and again from the Victorian fashion book. And so these are plain pages, no tucks or no really bulky embellishments, just adding the ephemera because this is a work in progress, and I just did a stitching there. This is an old sheet. Stamp design by Tim Holtz, and another old check. So that's how I decorated the pages. To stamp it, I use this material. I love how this turned out. And I use a tracing sheet here. This project is very easy, fast, and simple to do. But I hope that you like it. Let me know what you think, and please do not forget to also check out the videos of the other collaborators. All the link will be in my description. So there you go, everyone. This is my third installment for the Feel of Vintage 2021 collaboration. Thank you very much for watching and for supporting my channel. Have a great week ahead. Bye everyone. Take care. God bless you. Till next time.